If you want to add a countdown timer to your hosting a website builder site, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step, even if you've never done it before. A countdown timer is a great way to build urgency, promote a launch, highlight an event, or create more conversions on a sales page. And the best part is, you can do it without coding from scratch. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is create your timer code using Logwork. Open your browser and go to logwork.com/countdown-timer. Once the page loads, you'll see the countdown timer setup area where you can configure your widget. Start by choosing the end time for your timer. This is the moment when the countdown will finish, so make sure it matches your goal, whether that's a product launch, event deadline, or special offer. Next, choose your time zone. This is important because your countdown should display correctly for your audience based on the exact region or launch time you want. After that, enter your countdown title. This is the text that appears above the timer, so keep it clear and relevant, like "Sale ends soon" or "Webinar starts in." Now you can customize the display to match your website. You'll be able to adjust the style, colors, width, size, and language. Take a moment here to make it fit your brand so it looks clean and professional on your page. One very important step is entering your email address in the email field that's required for editing the countdown later. This gives you access if you need to change the timer after it's embedded. Once everything looks right, click the green Embed on your website button at the top. Logwork will generate a full HTML and JavaScript code snippet for your timer. Copy the entire code exactly as shown. Now let's move into hosting a website builder. Log in to hantel.hostinger.com and go to the Websites section in the left sidebar. Find the site you want to edit and click Edit Website. This opens the website builder where you can place the countdown timer on your page. On the left vertical toolbar, click the Add Element Plus icon. From the available elements, find the Embed code element and drag it onto the section of the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. You can place it near your hero section, above a call to action, or anywhere that helps create urgency. After placing the embed box, click on it and then choose Enter Code. A text area will appear where you can paste the Logwork HTML and JavaScript code you copied earlier. Paste the full snippet carefully, then click Embed Code or Save depending on what appears on your screen. At this point, the timer should appear inside the embed container on your page. If it looks too large or too small, simply drag the corner handles of the embed box to adjust the width and height. This helps make sure the timer displays neatly without scroll bars or awkward spacing. Next, click the mobile view icon in the top center toolbar. This is an important check because your countdown timer should look good on smaller screens too. Make sure it stays visible, readable, and properly aligned on mobile devices. If anything looks off, adjust the container size before publishing. Once you're happy with the design, click the purple Update Website button in the top right corner to publish your changes live. After that, your countdown timer will be visible to visitors on your hosting a website. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer in hosting a website builder using Logwork. This is a simple but powerful way to make your site feel more dynamic and action-driven. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Hostinger and website builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.